First, open Canva. Open the design where you want to add your photo. Go to the left panel and click on Elements. In the search bar, type Frames and press Enter. Choose the frame you like and drag it onto your canvas. Resize the frame and place it where you want. Now go to Uploads and find the photo you want to use. Click and drag the photo onto the frame. The photo will automatically be placed inside the frame. To adjust the photo, double-click on it. You can drag the photo to change its position or use the corners to resize it. Once you're happy with the position, click outside the photo. That's it. This is how you can move an image in a frame in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.